What are some notable examples of failed constitutional amendments? Throughout the history of the United States, there have been several attempts to amend the Constitution that ultimately did not succeed. These efforts often reflected the evolving values and priorities of society. One notable example is the Equal Rights Amendment, which was first proposed in 1923 and aimed to guarantee equal legal rights for all American citizens regardless of sex. Despite gaining significant momentum and passing both houses of Congress by 1972, it ultimately fell short of ratification by the required number of states by the deadline set by Congress. Another interesting case is the Child Labor Amendment, introduced in 1924. This amendment sought to give Congress the power to regulate child labor. It was passed by Congress but faced opposition from various groups and ultimately failed to be ratified by the necessary number of states, highlighting the complexities of labor rights and state sovereignty during that era. The Corwin Amendment, proposed in 1861, is also a significant example. It aimed to prevent Congress from interfering with the institution of slavery in states where it already existed. Although it was passed by Congress, the onset of the Civil War and the subsequent passage of the 13th Amendment rendered it irrelevant, as the 13th Amendment abolished slavery altogether. The Equal Rights Amendment and the Child Labor Amendment are often discussed in the context of gender and labor rights, while the Corwin Amendment serves as a reminder of the historical context surrounding the Civil War. These examples illustrate the challenges faced in the amendment process, which requires broad consensus across diverse political and social landscapes. Additionally, there was the Balanced Budget Amendment, which has been proposed multiple times since the 1970s. This amendment aimed to requiring the federal government to maintain a balanced budget, but it has consistently faced opposition due to concerns about its potential impact on government flexibility during economic downturns. These failed amendments not only reflected the political climate of their times, but also serve as a reminder of the challenges inherent in changing the foundational legal framework of the nation. They highlight the importance of consensus and the complexities involved in addressing the evolving needs and values of society.